Ciao lovelies, it's Lunaria here. This video is going to be a compilation of a lot of doll crafts and dollhouse DIYs that didn't fall into their own video. As a result of that, I didn't film intros or anything, so this is the intro for the video and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay. So this particular craft idea is pretty simple, but it makes for some pretty cute and easy minis for the dollhouse. You don't have to like make printables or anything, which honestly, always good. So first things first, what you will need, I'm not going to do any of these DIYs on camera, I don't believe, at least I don't think I will, but you'll need craft foam. I was using glitter craft foam hearts that were adhesive on the back. I got them from the craft store after Valentine's Day on sale, so they were just a pretty good example of some craft foam that would have a little extra adhesion, because what I was doing to make these miniatures was taking stickers or items from like pictures from magazines, but I'll show you guys the stickers first because those are better. So taking stickers, putting them onto the foam, and then cutting them out. So you see here we've got this one. It's a little cassette tape. I don't know if any of you are gonna remember what a cassette tape is. I don't know if I'm old yet. Who knows, guys? But you see how the back with the glitter foam? So that's how you make these tiny little details. Here's a floppy disk. We're bringing it back again. So you guys can see that you can like make props to add like itty bitty details to your scenes with craft foam, you know. I'm also starting to do it for like wall art for the dollhouse. I haven't put these up yet, but we've got like a retro pancake ad. We've got a piece of art. I put the thing you're seeing there, the shiny layer on top with those cross sections, is just tape, just clear tape. Another piece of art for the wall, Lisa Frank sticker. This was from a retro sticker book, but looks good nonetheless. And then, let me see if I can find, well, I know some of these are definitely going to be pretty easy to explain about, like where I got the printables or whatever. So, again, a little landline cell phone. I like old tech. I feel like that's weird, but like also my CG is into it and I like to be interested in things that he's interested in. A little guitar. This isn't for like them to use, it's for like a display. Like you could put it on some hooks on the dollhouse wall, and because it's made of foam, it's not as heavy, so there's less of a chance of anything that you put on the dollhouse walls like hot glue or poster tack or glue dots. There's a lower chance of it falling off the wall if it's lighter. So continuing the music theme, I've got some more records. This one's more like a piece of wall art. It says turn it up. This one is just a little record in general, you know. Got a ruler. He has a little face. That one was a sticker out of the sticker book. A little shell. This was just kind of an experiment to see if I could do them in smaller sizes. The answer was yes, but not as well. Piece of pizza. Another cassette tape. This one says playlist on it, so you know, aesthetic and whatnot. Sorry, I heard something weird. Anyway, a flip phone. Your characters can hold this. Again, it's lighter. It's easier to adhere to a character's hand for easier props for photography. Keeping with the theme of tech. Another mixtape. I like that one a lot. And then we've got a little MP3 player, which I'm gonna try to make some headphones for. This is not tech, this is just a piece of mail. A Tamagotchi, because, you know, we'd be an extra. A camera. A little waffle. Bottle of glue. A wall clock. 2 handheld mirrors, which are both stickers, and then I just put them on the glittery backdrop. And for some of the stuff you can add gems to it as well to give it dimension. Another piece of pizza. And the last thing is this little cookie. So yeah, you can add gemstones to them, you could do, there's a lot of detailing you can do, but basically that was how I did those. So that is my dollhouse DIY idea for today, and thank you for watching. I don't know if this is going to be in a compilation or in a shorter video, so I guess you guys might get to see the same outro twice, but who knows? So I guess bye for now. Another quick dollhouse miniature tip. The candy bowl is just a little empty bowl. You can get those on like Amazon, and the candies are little beads actually. So just a tip. There's our handmade phone, our landline phone there. Out here we've got our little smoke area on the back porch for our little dolls. By the way, again, a quick tutorial, not even, our stash jar. Yeah, that's just a little jewelry jar filled with green Play-Doh. So, alright, that's all I have for the tips for the dollhouse for now, so bye. Thank you, lovely, so much for watching. If you like what I do on this channel, or if you want to see more like DIY content, just definitely subscribe. If you liked this video or you like what I do here, please leave me a like or a comment or share this video. That would be lovely, 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 like y'all. And today's self-care tip from Lunaria is take care of future you, because you really, really need to, because if you fall off the wagon of taking care of future you, it can really affect you in a major way. Taking care of future you is more than just an act of self-love. It's an act of discipline, self-control, and an act of guaranteeing certain things about your future, whether you think about it or not. But if you pack yourself lunch for tomorrow, you guarantee that you have lunch instead of leaving it up to chance that you wake up on time to pack it. You know what I'm saying? So take care of yourself in that way. So thank you, lovely, so much for watching. Please remember to stay awesome and love yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, lovelies.